Sunsets on it.
Tell me about what kind of party you're going to have.
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes?
Yes.
What else?
And princess crowns.
Princess crowns? What else?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Ballerina shoes? And cupcakes. And a wand? Why are you whispering? Whose birthday is that? Show me. Whose birthday party is that?
Surprise! She's 2 days.
2 days?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a party.
Is that your party?
Yep, that's my party. My daddy, the painted red.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I messed up the scene.
You messed up your thing?
Messed up the scene.
I'm sorry.
Right here, but here.
We can paint them again. Bye.